Welcome to Maheshwari's vlog. Today, let's make prawns fry without rawa and rice flour. First, take clean and deveined prawns and then marinate with 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of Malwani masala. Half tablespoon turmeric powder. Add 3 to 4 kokum pieces. Then add 3 to 4 chopped garlic, followed by 1 tablespoon of kokum agar. Mix thoroughly. Oh, don't forget to add your salt. Give it another mix. Now let the prawn marinate for next 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now, carefully add the marinated prawn to the pan. Add kokum and garlic along with the prawns. Add little amount of oil around the prawns. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Then flip and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Prawns are ready. Garnish it with freshly chopped coriander. Hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more.